Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Grammar by Ashrun Sir. Today I am going to teach you passive voice of present continuous tense. This is very easy and very important topic. So I am going to explain this one by one. First I am going to explain you affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence, there is one rule. Is, are, am plus being are added to the past participle form. Past participle form means V3 of the verb. So some question I have written active voice question I have written and passive voice I have to change. So according to rule I am going to change. Same process in simple present tense I have explained you. First object will come. So I am reading a book. So this is object. Object will come first. So we write first a book. A book. A book is the subject. A book is, we use is. A book is. After that being. A book is being. After that V3. This is verb. Reading. V3 is read. By. Now this subject I becomes me. Okay, it's very easy. A book is being read by me. Next question. You are loving me. You are loving me. To me becomes I. In this question, this is object. So me becomes I. I के साथ am यूज करते हैं. I am loving with I am. Then being. This being we write first according to rule. B-E-I-N-G. Being. Plus V3. Loving, loved. Loved by. This subject becomes object, so you, in both cases you is same. Next question. He is eating bread. So in this question bread is object. Bread is object, so we write first bread. Bread is being eating. V3 is eaten. Then by. He becomes him. This is very easy. Rules are same. You. In this question sentence, you is the object. When you become subject, it will be same. You are being teaching. V3 is taught. T-A-U-G-H-T. Taught. By. We becomes us. So this is very easy. The affirmative sentences I have completed. Now we come to negative sentence. Negative sentence. There is one rule. First we write rule is, am, are plus not. Negative means not. Plus being plus third form of the verb. Means third form means V3. Active question. Sentences I have written. I am not reading a book. Process are same. First what we write? A book. A book. A book. A book is. एक a book के साथ is के यूज करते हैं. A book is not being See in the question a rule. After auxiliary verb not, then being. Being. Then V3. V3 is read by. I becomes me. Okay. It's very easy. Process are same. After that, next question. You are not loving me. You are not loving me. So me becomes subject I. Me becomes I. I am. I के साथ am यूज करते हैं. I am. Then not. फिर being. After that V3. V3 is loving. V3 is loved. After that by. You becomes you. Very easy. Next question. He is not eating bread. So in this sentence, bread is the object. So first we write bread. Bread is not being eating. This is verb. So eating verb V3 is eaten. Eaten by. He becomes him. Okay. Next question. We are not teaching you. So you, in this sentence you is the object. Now it becomes in passive voice subject. So you becomes again you. In both cases you is same. You के साथ हम आर यूज करते हैं. You are not being. Teaching past tense is taught. Taught by. We becomes us. It's clear? Okay, so this way affirmative sentence, negative sentence is clear. After negative sentence, now interrogative sentence. Okay, interrogative sentences. Rule is or am. First we write is placed before the subject. मैंने subject के पहले is or am को लिखेंगे. And being plus past participle after the subject. And being plus past participle means subject के बाद लिखेंगे. Some questions I have written for you. Okay. Am I reading a book? So am. I के साथ am यूज करते हैं. यहाँ ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? ए बुक. तो ए बुक सबसे पहले लिखेंगे. तो ए बुक के पहले ए बुक के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? इज. तो इज पहले आ जाएगा. ये डिपेंड करता है ये ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर. ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? यदि ऑब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर थर्ड पर्सन है तो उसके साथ इज यूज करेंगे. तो इज अ बुक. आफ्टर दैट being. Then V3. This is verb 1. To being read. After that by. After that me. Completed. So it's very easy. This way you have to do. Are you loving me? तो मी becomes subject I. और I के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? am. तो am पहले लिखेंगे. am I. इसके बाद am I being loving. Loving is the verb. तो loving V3 is loved by you. यू का तो यू ही होगा. तो हम लोग ये दे देंगे यहाँ यू. क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Is he eating bread? Is he eating bread? Bread is object. So in this active voice, bread is the object. It becomes subject in passive voice. तो bread सिंगुलर है, उसके साथ is यूज करते हैं, तो is पहले आएगा. is bread being. V3 eating का V3 होता है eaten. देन by, इसके बाद ही क्या हो जाएगा? हिम हो जाएगा. क्वेश्चन मार्क. इज ब्रेड बीइंग ईटेन बाय हिम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आर वी टीचिंग यू? आर वी टीचिंग यू? आर वी टीचिंग यू? तो यू, इस क्वेश्चन में यू जो है ऑब्जेक्ट है, जब पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करेंगे तो ये सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा. तो यू के साथ क्या लगता है? आर लिखेंगे पहले. आर यू, फिर बीइंग. V3 टीचिंग का पास टेंस हो गया. V3 टाउट. बाय वी का क्या हो जाएगा? अस. क्वेश्चन मार्क. It's easy. It's very easy. All questions are very easy. Only you have to put in the formula according to rule. Next question. Why are you running a race? Why are you running a race? तो सबसे पहले हम why का पैसिव वॉइस में भी why ही होता है. why. इसके बाद जो सब्जेक्ट है, ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट है इस क्वेश्चन टेंस में, ये सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा. तो इसके साथ हम यूज करते हैं. इज अ रेस बीइंग रन बाय यू. फुल क्वेश्चन मार्क. इन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस यू मस्ट राइट क्वेश्चन मार्क. What are you doing? Then same. जब भी क्वेश्चन वाई, वाट और हुम से शुरू होता है, पैसिव वॉइस में भी सेम से शुरू होगा. वाई है तो वाई से, वाट है तो वाट से. पैसिव वॉइस में भी वाट यूज करते हैं. वाट सबसे पहले लिखेंगे. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? तो इसमें क्या होगा? व्हाट इज बीइंग डन बाय यू. क्वेश्चन मार्क. नेक्स्ट, whom आर यू सर्विंग? तो फिर इसमें भी whom से पहले स्टार्ट होगा. इज बीइंग सर्व बाय यू. क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो दिस इज वेरी इजी. इन दोनों क्वेश्चन में क्या डिफरेंस है? जब एक्जुलरी वर्ब से शुरू होता है कोई भी क्वेश्चन तो हम एक्जुलरी वर्ब से शुरू करते हैं, और जब वाई, वाट, हुम से शुरू होता है तो उसको पैसिव वॉइस में उसी से शुरू करते हैं. वाई है तो वाई से शुरू करेंगे, वाट है तो वाट से शुरू करेंगे, हुम है तो हुम से. बाकी सब रूल सेम है. ओके, इट्स वेरी इजी. ट्राई एट होम.